So, this is my vlog. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. Okay, this is just gonna have to work. So, basically, I'm gonna be alone for 10 days since, well, not really alone, but like for most of the days since I'm half day in school. Yeah, you're not really interested. So, I decided to do this vlog. Oh, that's what's gonna happen. I can do whatever I want. What can I say? Di masabi. So we're gonna do that. And the first thing we're gonna do is cook. Actually, no, the first thing we're gonna do is freshen up. So I just took the quickest shower. Like, the quickest, probably like 2 minutes. So I just turned on the aircon since it is so hot in the Philippines. Very, very hot indeed. So yeah, this is the look we're going with for now. You don't know, we're not going with this. It's an ugly hairstyle. Oh, yeah, that's gonna have to do. Oh god. So what we're gonna do today, first of all, after showering, is cook. So I'm planning beef. Since I have beef, and then okonomiyaki. What else? What else is there? Only for dessert, but we'll find out. Let's go. That's so gross. Oh my god, that's so gross. This is where we're gonna be working. All right, this is our area, you know. So I usually cook, but not by myself. So this is gonna be an experience for the both of us. I got the beef right here, and I'm feeling some egg as well. So I'll get an egg. I really am not aware of what's inside my fridge, so first we're gonna marinate our beef. This is our beef. Very beef. Oh god. Yes. This is that. Okay, I don't know if I'm vibing. Yep, no I'm not. Okay, so we're gonna stick with the soy sauce and sugar thing. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a mess. You can just like do this. Okay, 1.5 seems good. We haven't even got to the cooking part at all. So there's still a lot of room for me. And you know what? That's okay. It's alright. It's really alright. Like, it's fine. So we got our beef with the soy sauce and sugar. And now you just gotta mix it. You gotta get all the flavors going on, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's right. So I have discovered a new angle for the both of us. Hey! I am so annoying, honestly. So I'm cooking. It's heating up. See how this goes. Got my plate ready as well. I don't know, right? We safe. We got the tools. We know it's ready. Got my corn as well. So now I'll put the oil. Hopefully it doesn't spill. Yep, that's very olivey. Okay, now we fry it. Look at this. Look at this. It looks so good. So good. Add in some corn. Okay, yeah, I don't know why I did that. Like, that's kind of dumb to just randomly add corn with no other ingredients. Right? Should I just add cheese? Nah. Or should I? Oh my god, it's such a weird dish. I won't do it. And so this is how it's looking. Not bad. Not bad at all. I kind of want to add cheese, like in pepper lunch, like rice and then beef, and then should I heat rice na lang? No, we're not doing that. What? I can add rice. You know what? I'm doing it. I'm putting rice. You're looking good. I'm very focused, as you can tell. Oh my god, this looks like pepper lunch. Wow, I am a chef, to say the least. Okay, you know what? This will have to do. I didn't put cheese, which is like the main reason why I wanted to use rice. But you know what? Whatever. Okay. So getting the scrub. It smells so good. That's that. So far, I'm telling you, I'm not doing a bad job. Look at that. That looks so good. Let me try it. So good. So good. Oh my god, I'm excited. That's so, oh my god. I'm so amazed. Now I'm gonna cook my egg. Okay, I don't know what's happening. But something was bound to go wrong, okay? At least it happens sooner than later. If I get someone alam na. A really sad scrambled egg. Not even kidding. Okay, so we got our eggs. Pretty much done. Honestly, guys, I'm truly so happy. So good. It's genuinely so good. How about the egg? The egg's okay. But overall, this is so good.